How to use Pipedrive beginner's tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get started with Pipedrive. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to head on over to pipedrive.com, and Pipedrive is not available for free, but you can get a 14-day free trial without any credit card. So what you're just going to do is you're going to click on try it for free on the center over here, and then you can get started by accessing with your Google or LinkedIn account, or you could enter your work email as well. I'm going to continue with my Google account over here. So we're just going to continue on with our Google account for a easy setup process. This enables you to sync up your calendars and so much more. That is why I like to use my Google account, but if you want, enter your own email, and then you're just going to enter your name and then decide a password. Then we're just going to click on continue over here. I'm just going to fill in my information and I'll get back to you guys in a second. Now, once you have filled out all of the necessary information like your email and phone number, they're going to ask you what you basically do in your job. So what is your current role? So let's say we are the CEO of this company, and then you're going to be asked what kind of experience you have with different sales tools. So we're going to continue with I've used CRM for my sales activities. Now, they're going to ask you what initial goals you want to set up. So let's say that the initial goals, just set goals and track progress, and or maybe just find new leads. So we're going to click on next over here, and then you're going to get started with setting up your company. So I'm going to enter the name of your company, then you're going to enter how many employees you have. So then you're going to add your industry as well. So they have quite a few different options. We're going to continue on with others, and then they're going to ask you how many people in your company will be using Pipedrive. So you can invite them via email once you have signed up, and we're just going to click on next. So this is just going to take a few seconds to create your account and set up your dashboards. Now, this is what the Pipedrive dashboard looks like. So it is a very simple and easy to navigate. It's like a very clean dashboard. That is one thing I really like about the Pipedrive platform. Now you can see on your left, you have a navigation panel where you will find your leads, deals, campaigns. Then you have mails, activities, contacts, insights, products, marketplace, and you have these three dots where you can also set up workflow automation, propose times, import and export data, merge duplicates, and discover their marketplace or their application marketplace where you can integrate different applications on to your Pipedrive platform. So the deal section is the basic dashboard, and then on your top right, you're going to find you have your personal information, you have your company settings, tools and integration, and workflow automation. So if we click on company settings over here, you can add activities, currencies that you are using within the company, and then loss reasons as well to the actual company settings. And then you also have your workflow automation where you can basically optimize the overall work that you do. But these are features that are more significant once you have set up. So to get started, what we're going to do is we're going to click on deals. So you can see I have this in pipeline view. We can also convert this at a list view at the top left over here, or you can also have a forecast view. So you can see in the future what you're going to be getting. Now, let's say we have a deal over here. So in the qualified section, we're going to add a contact person, then we're going to add the organization, and then we're going to add the title of our deal, whatever deal it might be. You can add a specific title, then you're going to add the value of your deal. So you can add any currency that you want. And then you're just going to enter the value, however much money this deal is going to be with, however much money this deal is regarding. So we're just going to enter that. Then you're going to enter the pipeline stage. So if it is just a qualified deal, if it is a contact made, if it is a demo scheduled, if it is a proposal made, or a negotiation started. So the first step is the pipeline stage is qualified. And then we have the due date, or basically when we expect this deal to close. And then I'm going to schedule the pipeline stage to be at the contact made. And then we're just going to enter what the visibility of this deal should be. So let's say I want this to be visible for the entire company to see. And then we're just going to click on save over here. And now you can see I've added the contact or the basic deal over here. Just like that, on your top left, if we click on leads, you can begin adding your leads. So if you already have a previous spreadsheet, you can enter that. You can click on find new leads over here as well to find new leads for your business, or click on add new lead to add your own leads person by person. Then you have live chat boxes, web form, and prospectors as your lead booster to further encourage more leads. Then you have web visitors and messaging messaging integrations, which can enable you to gather more leads. Now, in the deals section, this is the basic overview. Now, you can see you can click on New Pipeline and add another section within the overall navigation of your sales pipeline. So, let's say that after the negotiation started phase comes, you might want to add a new stage. So you're just going to click on Add New Stage over here, and then you can begin on customizing this. So you're going to enter the name. Say the next stage after negotiations would be approved or accepted or deal did, and then the probability. So the probability would be 50, and then we're just going to click on save over here, and then you can see that a new step in the pipeline or the sales pipeline has been added. So this will enable us to just keep track of all of our sales or all of our deals in a very step-by-step and easy format. Now below that we have our campaign section. So in your campaign section, you can begin campaigning for a certain product or a item or any service that you might be offering. These are especially helpful in products. So you can click on Start Crafting Emails if you're going to be launching a new collection, if you're going to be launching maybe a new item, a new perfume, whatever kind of store you might have, or if you have a new service coming up in your service, then you can create a campaign to boost the sales of the initial new launch that you have. Now, other than that, you can see you have your mail section, which also helps you in your marketing, and then you have the activities section, so you can mark activities. You can click on activity over here, and then you can click on what kind of activity this is going to be. So let's say this is going to be a meeting, and this could be with Elon firms, and then you can enter a description. You can also enter if you're going to be free during the time of this activity or meeting. So let's say I will be busy, and then you can enter a time. So let's say I want to enter the time like 9 a.m. or 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. So it could be a long meeting like this, or if you want a shorter meeting, you can move this up and down. So let's say this is going to be like a short meeting like this, so you can move it like so, and then you can add the person that is going to be present in the meeting. So I've added myself, and then you can enter the lead or deal. So we're just going to enter the lead or deal over here, and we're just going to click on connect over here, and just like that, I've added a simple activity onto the activity board. You can do this for the entire organization, for everyone in the team, so it is better or easier to schedule for everyone and account for who is going to be where and when, and you can easily manage your customers or your leads with this kind of activity platform. Now below that you have your contacts, so all of your contacts can be added just like that by clicking on person, and then you're going to enter their information to enter contacts. Then you have your insights. So insights are basically going to provide you with the graphic data that is going to enable you to further optimize. So you have graphs and charts where you can see the overall expansion of your business, the conversion, the lead conversion, and the deals lost. So this will give you an overview of the business. Now, if we talk about the pricing of Pipedrive, you've seen all the tools, you've seen how powerful of a tool this is, you've seen the different integrations that you can add, but what is the price? Because there are a lot of free CRMs available nowadays as well, and you might be wondering, hey, why should I pay for a CRM when I can get it for free? Well, Pipedrive is definitely one of those CRMs in which I would personally recommend that you should purchase this CRM if you're looking for a good CRM tool, because the price is definitely worth it. So it starts at $990 per month, and it is billed annually. So you have a lead deal calendar and pipeline management, you have simple data and import, 24/7 customer support, you have a open deal limit per company of 3,000. And you also have other features like tracking communications, you also have email inboxes, and you also get things like deal reports, activity reports, company and user goals, and visual dashboards. You also have privacy and security features as well. And then you have mobile integrations and applications, you have a developer center, you have application, you have the language support for multiple applications. So this is going to be a great and worthwhile investment in my terms for a CRM. Then there also is the advanced version starting at $19.90. I usually would recommend that either opt for the essential version if you just want a basic CRM, but if you're going to upgrade to the professional version at $39.90, almost $40, because you're going to be getting a lot of different powerful tools like e-signing and one-click calling and tracking, revenue projections and forecasts with enhanced custom reporting on the professional version. So it's going to be a very, very comprehensive and intuitive program to manage your business or your company. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with Pipedrive as well. Make sure to leave a like like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box down below, and I will answer them as soon as possible.